Don't you laugh or because the baby will wake up and hear that noise.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to protect her?
Yeah.
Yeah? You keep her safe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Quentin, look at Daddy.
Hey.
Quentin,
I'm shooting a video right now, buddy.
Okay.
Hey, you baby. What are you doing? You're heavy. The baby's heavy.
See? Careful, careful. Protect your head.
I take her head for rocks.
From rocks?
Yes.
So are you worried about the rocks?
Oh, gentle with your hands. Don't pull her hair. Just soft and gentle. Oh, you're such a good big brother already, Quentin. Good helper.
See?
Yeah.
She's saying hi to you, buddy.
Says, hi, big brother. I love you.
Hi, baby. I'm gonna change into my Spider-Man so if there's a bad guys, if you call me, if there's a bad guy.
Listen, I'm gonna protect you.
Protect me?
Yeah.
The baby is going to protect me?
No, you have to protect the baby because you're the big brother.
You're big.
No, my mommy and daddy will take care of me and protect me.
Yeah, we'll protect you, and you help us protect the baby, yeah?
Yeah, I will.
Okay, good.
It's okay, baby. We're here.
Do you want to sing her your rainbow song? Because it has her name in it.
She likes
Red, orange, yellow, and green, and blue, indigo, violet, too. I can see a rainbow, see a rainbow, see a rainbow, too.
Good job, pal.
She likes that.
Such a nice song for her.
Yeah.
It's a nice little lullaby. And we can sing Kumbaya to her too, right? We know
And
that
sing
one.
Kumbaya.
Kumbaya.
No, you have to say Kumbaya, baby.
Okay. Kumbaya, baby. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, baby. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, baby. Kumbaya. Oh, Lord. Kumbaya. What's she doing? Someone's
Doing
Is she sleeping?
somebody's
Sleeping, Lord. Kumbaya. Someone's sleeping, Lord. Kumbaya. Someone's sleeping, Lord. Kumbaya. Oh, Lord. Kumbaya. Good job. You did it. Good songs for baby Violet. And then give her a big kiss. Aw. Good job.